I saw a dragonfly. Ayan siya, oh. Ang pretty niya. Hello, pretty amazing dragonfly. You're so beautiful. Ang pretty niya, oh. Kamukha niya yung mga dragonfly sa dream ko. Looks like a golden. Thank you, Jehovah God, for showing me this amazing dragonfly. Twice na ako nakakita ng dragonfly na nakadapo, nakastes. Ayan, oh, ang amazing. Hello! I'm so happy to see you. Okay, bye-bye. Take care on your journey. Ang cute niya. Wait lang, gusto ko siyang kuhaan ng photo. Wait. Isa pa. Okay, bye-bye.